Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. First of all, I am really sorry for being late. I am facing many network issues and not being able to record gameplays since I am facing high ping issues. Some of my subscribers requested me to make a video on how to edit properly in KineMaster. So today I am going to show you how I edit my videos. This video will be divided into some parts such as arranging clips, adding transitions, color grading, and finally exporting it. So, without further ado, let's get started.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing, bitches on my line, and you know they.
First, download KineMaster from the link given in the description. You can also use any KineMaster version you want, but the APK I have provided is unlocked. After installing, open KineMaster. Yes, it's the most important step. Create a project file of 16:9 ratio. Select the clip you have recorded from the folder and click on the tick icon. Then you have to search for the clips where you have finished or knocked someone. You can do it by scrolling on the timeline. Now place the bar from where you want your clip and then tap on the clip. This will open up menus on your right and side. From here, click on the scissor icon and choose split at playhead. Now tap on this clip and delete this. Then you can slide on the timeline and look for the place you want to end this clip. Once you find it, tap on the scissor icon and click split at playhead. Now delete the part you don't want. Now you have to add a music. Click on the song icon here and select the song you want. Click on the music and click the little add icon. Now, you want to add another clip, so click on this media folder icon and again go to the same folder where you have your gameplays recorded. Click on your clip you want and click on this tick. Now again do the same steps to cut your clip. Now comes the part of adding transition in between your two clips. First, zoom your timeline like this. Then you will see a plus icon, click on it, and then click on this home icon. Action, swipe to the bottom and install Motion Cut. Then close it and click on Motion Cut, then select this zoom transition and click on the tick icon. Add this to every cuts, and you are good to go. Now comes the part of color grading. To do this, you need to click on a clip and select color filters, then choose vivid, and tap on the V06, click on apply to all, and click the tick icon. Again tap on your clip and go to adjustments. Now set the value of contrast to -50. And swipe to the bottom and click apply to all. Congratulations, you have successfully completed your editing part. Now this is a quick tip. Before exporting the video, close your KineMaster and then open it again. Click on the setting icon. Scroll down and click on Advanced and Experimental Settings. Now in default this will be off, so turn it on and go back. Click on the recent project in which you were working and then click this share button. Now, select the resolution you want for your video. I prefer 1080p or 1440p. Now set the frame rate to 60 FPS, it's important in order to achieve smoothness in your video. Lastly, set the bitrate minimum to 15 mbps. It is recommended to keep bitrate more than 15 mbps because it is mostly responsible for your video quality. More bitrate means more bigger sized file. Okay, now click on export and wait for it to export. After your export has been completed, you can view your exported video in your internal storage. I hope you have learned something from this video. Share the video with your friends who want to edit gameplay montages, and if you are new to this channel, hit subscribe to it positively. See you soon on my next video. Till then, think positive, stay safe and healthy.